Hello everyone, and welcome to this segment of K2TV. I'm your host, Kent Nerhus, and I'll be talking to you today about why you should get your Part 107 license. Now, what is a Part 107 license? A Part 107 license is the Federal Aviation Administration's ruling on how you can make money with your drone. Now, what you do in order to do this is you go online, you do a little bit of research. There's a few ways you can pass the test. One of them is you can go to online resources like we have at K2Unmanned.com, or you can go to a flight training school like we have here at K2 Unmanned Systems. Also, the FAA, on their website, they offer free test prep options. Now, once you get settled and squared away with the material, it's going to cover three things on the test. One is going to be the obvious rules and regulations. Two is going to be weather, and three is going to be charts. Just like this chart behind me. Yes, and even you will be able to decipher it one day. Now, once you're all squared away, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to schedule yourself a Part 107 test at one of your local aviation flight schools. Now, the way you do that is you go online, you look for a scheduling body, you call that scheduling body up, or company, their scheduling company out there. You call them up, you schedule an appointment. It's going to cost you $150 to do this. Now, they're going to schedule you at a local test area. You go, you take your test, and of course you pass. Once you're done with that, there's one little step that you're going to want to do. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go on to what's called IACRA. Now, you can look it up, and IACRA is the Federal Aviation Administration's information registry website. That's where you're going to fill out all your information, and then they're going to send you, once you're done with that and you're completed, they're going to send you your physical license. Because once you pass your test, you're only going to get a temporary license. And then, once you fill out your IACRA, they're going to give you a paper license that you can print out, and then you're going to wait weeks until you get your physical license, like your driver's license. Now, once you're done with all that, now it's time to make some money. And that'll be on our next segment, how to make money with your drone after you get your Part 107. Once again, thank you for visiting us. Please check out our website at www.k2unmanned.com. And once again, fly safe, and we'll see you next time.